Come take a look at some of the exterior features on the Bertram 35 FB. Built into the deck in the aft cockpit, you will find dual insulated fish boxes. On the transom, you'll find a large aquarium-style live well and a boarding door that makes getting on and off the vessel safe and easy. The helm station is located on the flybridge and features 2 Garmin multifunction displays as well as 3 helm chairs. There's also a bench which allows you to fit an extra 2 to 3 guests up on the flybridge. Thanks for taking a look with us, and let us know what other boats you'd like to see in the Bertram lineup.